Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's been a vlog. For today's vlog is sharing you what I found on the field. It's 3 deer on the fields. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Hello everyone. I don't want it coming toward me. I don't want to be close to them and make them run away and scare them. So hello Bambi. Hello. Hello to Bambi family, dear family here in the field. The eating grass, the mother, daughter, and the son, I think. And thank you for watching everyone. God bless us all. And there's the other one right there. The 3 of them. I want to scare them and make them run away. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Hello to you all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. There you go. It's a good view. And it's me again, it's been a vlog. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's been a vlog sharing you what I found on the field. Is for today's vlog is family Bambi deers, family deers eating and gathering together in the field. There you go. How sweet. They're in the field. The baby Bambi, they're right there, and they have still a baby because he still have a dot. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Make a shout out to you all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. More deers here. So trying to be close to them, hoping not to scare them away. It's a lovely day. It's Sunday evening, almost evening here, like 5 minutes to 6. So here in Maryland, USA is July, I don't know what date is it. I think July the 12th. And shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's me again, it's been a vlog. And wherever you are, stay safe as always. Take care. God bless you all. And there's the Bambi eating in the field. There you go. So take care and God bless everyone. God bless us all. And thank you for watching. See you again soon. There's the family gathering. All the deers, the 3 of them. Mommy deer, Papa deer, and baby deers. Like in there. So thank you for watching. God bless you all. See you again soon. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Silent viewers, silent subscribers, if you have a phone, please grab your phone and hit subscribe now. And very much appreciate you guys, and don't skip ad, and for more videos for you guys to watch. So love you guys, thank you, and God bless you all. Please, 3 things I ask you to do: subscribe, like, and share. And very much appreciate you. Thank you very much. God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon. God bless everyone. I wanna zoom it to make it bigger. Zoom it to make it bigger. Right there. There you go. Zoom it to make it bigger. There you go. Hi dear. Hi Bambi. Hello everyone. Hi dear. Oh, closer. There you go. They're eating yummy grass. So long everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. It's a good view right here in the field. So you loves to eat. Thank you and God bless you all. So long everyone. Take care and happy Sunday evening to you all. Wherever you are, stay safe as always. Take care and God bless you all. So long and God bless. Take care everyone, and God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon. Take care and God bless you all. Have a good evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the whole world. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Ingat po kayong lahat. And take care and God bless you all. So long and God bless you all.